After more than a decade of rumors, Apple's foldable iPhone is finally launching this fall. And according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, it'll be the most significant overhaul in the iPhone's history. We're talking book-style design, nearly invisible crease, liquid metal hinge, and a price tag that could hit $2,900. Let me break down everything we know about the iPhone Fold. The iPhone Fold will be introduced in September 2026, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. However, rumors suggest it's going to launch after the Pro models, perhaps as late as December. Apple tested several fold styles, including horizontal folds into iPad-sized devices and clamshell designs that fold vertically, but Apple went with a book-style foldable that's wider than it is tall, making it unique among foldable smartphones. It'll have a 4:3 aspect ratio like an iPad, with an iPad mini-sized OLED display when opened, looking like a hybrid between an iPhone and an iPad with iPad-like functionality when unfolded. The iPhone Fold will be about 5.5 inches when closed and 7.8 inches when open, just a bit smaller than the 8.3-inch iPad mini. One leaker claims the inner display will measure 7.76 inches with 2713 by 1920 resolution, while the outer display will be 5.49 inches with 2088 by 1422 and 4:3 aspect ratio. It's supposedly going to be as thin as 4.5 millimeters when open and 9 to 9.5 millimeters when closed. If that 4.5 millimeters holds true, it'll be Apple's thinnest device by far. The current record holder is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro at 5.1 millimeters. Here's the game changer. The 2026 foldable iPhone reportedly has no visible crease. Apple pursued eliminating the crease regardless of cost and developed a new material property that makes it disappear. The crease has been described as nearly invisible. Leakers suggest the crease depth will be under 0.15 millimeters, shallow enough to be less noticeable to the eye and touch. The crease angle is under 2.5 degrees, meaning a smoother, flatter transition across the fold. Apple's using ultra-thin glass, with Chinese manufacturer Lens Technology as the primary supplier. Corning will provide raw materials. The display uses a new Samsung panel with a custom process Apple trademarked, integrating touch sensors directly into the panel, reducing thickness by 19%. To minimize the crease, Apple plans to use liquid metal for the hinge, an amorphous metal more resistant to bending and deformation than traditional metal. It's tougher than titanium alloy with a stainless steel look. Apple may also use a combination of titanium and stainless steel for the hinge. The frame will be titanium and aluminum. Titanium for stress-bearing parts to prevent bending, aluminum for heat dissipation and low weight. With such a thin chassis, Apple had to compromise. The iPhone Fold will only have two rear cameras, main and ultra-wide, both 48 megapixels, with no telephoto lens. There's no space for true depth, so it's using Touch ID instead of Face ID, a Touch ID power button similar to iPads. There will be hole-punch cameras on both inner and outer displays for selfies, and the inner camera could have 24 megapixel resolution, an industry first. No SIM slot either, eSIM only like the iPhone Air. Inside, A20 chip built on TSMC's 2nm process, up to 15% faster and 30% more efficient than A19 chips. Apple's using wafer-level multi-chip module packaging, RAM directly integrated on the chip's wafer with CPU, GPU, and neural engine for faster performance and better thermal management. 12 GB RAM total. Second-generation C2 modem supporting MW-Wave 5G. Battery in the 5400 to 5800 mAh range, Apple's largest iPhone battery ever. The iPhone 17 Pro Max currently holds the record at 5888 mAh. Software-wise, iOS is being updated for the larger display. You'll be able to run two apps side by side for the first time, with simplified multitasking and iPad-like sidebars. But it won't run iPad OS or support iPad apps. Apple will provide APIs for developers to transition apps to iPhone Fold layouts. Now for the tough part, pricing. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes it'll be $2,000 to $2,500. UBS analysts say $1,800 to $2,000. Fubon Research says $2,400. One rumor suggests 256 gigabytes at roughly $2,320, 512 gigabytes at roughly $2,610, and 1 terabyte at roughly $2,900. So here's the bottom line. After a decade of rumors, Apple's iPhone Fold is finally launching this fall with the most significant iPhone overhaul ever. nearly invisible crease, liquid metal hinge, 4.5mm thickness, iPad-like functionality, 5800 mAh battery, A20 chip, and prices starting over $2,000. What do you think? Is the iPhone Fold worth $2,000 plus, or is Apple pricing itself out of the foldable market? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more iPhone Fold coverage as we get closer to September. See you in the next one. Peace out.